Exercise 7.2, question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school garden ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. This you can see in the figure. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD, as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second lane and posts a green flag. So she is having a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? The distance we have to find out. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Rashmi has to post a flag exactly between the flags posted by these two girls. So let's solve this. So here, to solve this, I have drawn a figure. These lines drawn by chalk are at a distance of 1 meter each. And here, at a distance of 1 meter each, these flower pots has been posted. So there are 100 flower pots, making distance AD is equal to 100 meter. Now, as per the question, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD in second line. So in second line, Niharika is covering a distance 1/4. Suppose she covers this distance. Actually, this figure we have drawn symbolic. There are 100 flower pots, 1 meter each at distance. So just to show this in figure, I have taken 10, but there are 100. So in symbolic way, Niharika running in second lane and covering 1/4 distance of AD and posting a green flag. So this is the green flag posted by Niharika. So 1/4 distance of AD will be equal to 100 by 4, that is 25 meter. So if Niharika is running in second lane along x-axis, covering a distance 1/4 of AD along y-axis, so the coordinates of Niharika for her green flag will be 2, 25. Second lane on x and 25 meter is the distance on y. Similarly, Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD, that is 100 upon 5, which is equal to 20 meter, and she is running in the 8th line. So for Preet, when she is posting a red flag running in 8th line, suppose she posted her flag here, red flag. So the coordinates for Preet will be 8, 20. Okay. So coordinates of green flag is equal to 2, 25. Coordinates of red flag is equal to 8, 20. So the distance between G and R, green flag and red flag, we have to find out by using distance formula. Before that, let us consider this coordinates of green flag as x1, y1 and coordinates of red flag as x2, y2. Okay. So by distance formula, distance GD GR will be equal to under root, using same formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 2 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 20 minus 25 the whole square. Therefore GR is equal to under root 8 minus 2 is 6 and 6 square is 36, plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 and minus 5 square will be 25. Therefore distance GR is equal to under root 36 plus 25 is equal to 61 meter. Okay, so as 61 is a prime number, so we cannot find out the square root of this, so we will leave the answer with this only. Now let's find out if Rashmi has to post a flag exactly between these two flags. So suppose if she is posting a blue flag exactly between G and R, green and red, so let the coordinates of blue flag be x, comma, y. Now if point B is exactly between these two, so we can apply here section formula, which is basically the midpoint formula. Let's try this. Again, for blue flag, by section midpoint formula. This formula we use when we have ratios equal, because if the point making such sections is exactly in center, then the ratio will be equal. So in this case we use section midpoint formula, which is for coordinate x, which is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to, so x1 plus x2 means 2 plus 8 upon 2, that is equal to 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is 25 plus 20 upon 2 is equal to 45 by 2, that is 22.5. That means coordinates of blue flag will be equal to 5, 22.5. That means Rashmi has to post a blue flag in the fifth lane at a distance of 22.5 meter along the distance on y-axis AD. Okay, this is the question which can be asked in the form of case study also, because we have a situation explained with the figure, so it can be asked in the exam as case study question also. So prepare it in that way also.